Okay, so now we have this. I don't know what characters these stories or what stories these characters are from. Um, Queen Lena is flying the Centurion Eagle through a deadly Scythian field whose density is S equals XYZ Scythians per micro light year cubed. The top speed of the Centurion Eagle is 14 micro light years per year. If Lena is located at the point 1, 2, 3, what should her velocity be to decrease the Scythian density as fast as possible? Okay, well, the idea here is that we first want to figure out what the direction she should go in. Okay, what direction should she go in to decrease the Scythian density as fast as possible? And then using the fact that she can go 14 micro light years per year, we're going to multiply the direction vector by this 14, and that'll be the answer. Okay, so remember that the direction of fastest increase is the gradient of the function, this being the function. So this means that the direction of fastest decrease is negative the gradient. So the gradient of s is equal to the following. The derivative with respect to x is yz, the derivative with respect to y is xz, and the derivative with respect to the derivative with respect to z is x times y. And now she's at the point 1, 2, 3. So if you look at the gradient of s evaluated at 1, 2, 3, what we get is the following. Y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3, so that's 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, this is the gradient. So the opposite direction of this is going to be the direction of fastest decrease, but we want the unit vector. So the magnitude of the gradient of s evaluated at 1, 2, 3 is the square root of 36. That's 6 squared plus 9. That's 3 squared plus 4. Okay, 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 plus 9 is 49. This is equal to 7. So the direction is going to be this vector divided by 7 multiplied by minus 1. So it's going to be minus 1 over 7 times, whoops, let me get the eraser real quick. That should have been a vector bracket, not a parentheses, times 6, 3, 2. We divide by 7 to get a unit vector, and we multiply by minus 1 because we want the opposite direction of the fastest increase. Okay, so this is the direction, and then the velocity vector, that is the final answer. Well, this is the direction that she should go in, and this is her speed. This is the direction, this is her speed, so the velocity vector is just going to be the speed times the direction vector. So this is minus 14 over 7 times 6, 3, 2 minus, that's minus 14 over 7. Minus 14 over 7 is equal to minus 2. So this is minus 12 minus 6 minus 4, and that is answer choice E. Okay, so the thing to remember in this problem is that when you have a function of 2 or 3 variables, the direction of fastest increase is given by the gradient vector divided by its magnitude. The direction of fastest decrease is given by negative the gradient divided by its magnitude. This whole thing about multiplying by 14, that's how fast she can go. So she's going to go in this direction at a speed of 14 micro light years per year. Or yeah. So then her velocity vector is going to be this vector. In other words, if this is her velocity vector at the instant she's at the point 1, 2, 3, that's going to give her the fastest decrease possible of this Scythian density. Scythian or Scythians, I don't know. I don't know if this is Star Wars or Star Trek or something different.